Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me, Nisa again, and I want to tell you guys that I have been feeling that I am not so committed in making videos because I am not a beauty guru, but I do love makeups. I do love playing with makeups, and it's just that, you know, some things getting in the way, so let's get going for today's video. Me trying out new makeups that I have. Some of the makeups is not that new, but it's kind of new in my collection because I don't really buy or receive PR packages from brands. So some of them are pretty new and I kind of use it a lot. So I want to share it with you guys. So as you can see, my face is like behaving a bit because I was having a very bad breakouts due to, you know, less rest. You know, I don't really rest, I barely sleep, and I travel. I just came back from Bangkok, and Bangkok's vlog, short vlog, coming soon. So yeah, so hari ni Nisa nak start dengan video daripada I will start with products, I mean skincare, and this is actually my new toner, and this is I love this new toner that I received from Biotherm. So this is the Life Plankton Clear Essence. If you can see it, well, I actually use it a lot and religiously. As you can see that it reached this level already. How I use it, I will like few drops on my palm. I mean, this is quite expensive for my budget. So what I do is I will, you know, dab it on my face. And because it's so hydrating, I think it's quite the help with my skin texture as well, because I found out that my skin became less rough and it helps with the pores too. Sekejap, lepas toner biasa I guna sirup. Okay, basically this serum is not new, just I'm gonna share with you guys my prep routine. So this is my beloved, my holy grail green tea seed serum. So basically 2 pumps for my face. So this is my holy grail moisturizer for now, and this is honeybee venom multi solution cream. So practically this is how I do my daily skincare. Makeup primer, I do really use makeup primer nowadays, but I really like to keep my face fresh, and I am using Muka & Co Muka Mist Glow Hydrating Face Mist. Okay, so the mist has been quite, you know, set on my face, and I am going with, I'm still not sure whether to use or not this primer. From an event, I received this Prime Time Face Primer from dUck Cosmetics, and this is containing vitamin E, no parabens, pore refining, hydrating, skin perfector, and extended makeup wear. So this is what it looks like. I used it once, but I thought that I didn't really like it, but I'm going to give it a second chance, you know. And then I will be using, okay, this is new to my collection, and this is CCS Cotton Candy Sponge from Ika It's Me. She's a makeup artist. So my first cotton candy sponge is this one, the maroon one. See, this is the dry one, and this is the one that I have been damping in the water, and this is so soft. Okay, look at this, my new foundation that I got from my trip. So this is not available in Malaysia, unfortunately, but you can buy some ready stocks from sellers that got this from outside of Malaysia, and of course you can pre-order. So I'm in shade, actually I don't know if this will match me. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this one, and I chose the shade 128 Warm Nude. And I will be using my fingertips to put this at one side of my face, this side, this. Macam agak cerah je for my skin tone, but yeah. I don't know if this is supposed to be full coverage foundation, because for me, first impression, it is not. But this shade is quite okay though. I can balance it with my powder. I kind of like this one because it is not that fair actually. I'm not sure what are you seeing through, on screen, but on the mirror, it's nice. It's nice match. It's not really a nice match, but my hands have been, I was having like sunburns and everything due to the trip that I went to Bangkok, and we went to historical sites that are so hot. And yeah, well, one pump for this, one pump for this kind of coverage. This is okay, but I think I'm gonna add some more pumps. And so far it feels so lightweight. Again, on the sponge, and then with fingers dot it on my face. Okay, honestly, I don't know about others, but this is quite a medium coverage for me. I kind of like this one, I guess. Next is this Beauty Bakery Flour Batter Not Bitter. The packaging is so nice. I like it. Tap it in until it blends under my eye. It looks so good actually. So today I will be sharing with you guys the new brow product that I got from Kissmatic. So it looks like this. The packaging is in a small box, very minimalist, nothing much. Over here, only the logo, the name, Kissmatics, and the product looks like this. This one in a small jar, and this is in code Auburn. So yes, it's pretty easy to work with because it's quite soft. The formula, the consistency of this product is quite soft, but I don't have any problem with that. I like the color. It's not that dark because I think they have 3 colors, so you can check Kissmatic out. I will be putting links down below. Powder. So I am so excited to try this out because this is still not available in Malaysia yet. We don't know if Maybelline will ever bring this to Malaysia's market, but I think they would because it's so raved by overseas new YouTubers. And this is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powders. I have been wanting to buy this since Nikki Tutorial said this is one of her favorite powders, so I bought this from a local seller that got some ready stock. So I picked medium 25, the code. So I will be tapping in onto the cap. So I will be using fluffy brush like this one. So I will be like tapping it on all over my face. So I'm zooming in once again because I want to focus on the eyes. So I will be using, this is Mocha & Co. Always Be My palette. I'm so excited upon receiving this one because it is so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, pretty and easy to blend. I really like this palette because you can always do, you know, many types of look, and whether you want it to be as natural as you can be or as glam as you want to be. So it's really up to you, and I really like that. So this is L'Oreal Paris Le Stylo Smoky, I don't know, glitter pencil or something, but then it looks, okay, sorry. Okay, it looks like this, and it so nice, peachy pinkish color, and I would like to use it on my eyeshadow, just a thin. Did I just mess up my look? I really want it to be like just a little bit, you know, line there, but then I realized that this eyeshadow pencil is not that slim, you know, as you can see. But yeah, I will just, you know, work things out there. Okay lah kan, okay lah, dah, tak nak usik. Okay, so I have been like, you know, taking times putting on lashes because I don't have any new lashes near me and I'm too lazy to get up, so I just grab whatever in front of me. And this is some used lashes because it has like a lot of mascara residues on it, but then I just do this look for this video, so I don't mind, but it kind of bothers me, but yeah, I'll be fine. So I have done with my eyeliner and lashes, so I will be sharing with you guys my current favorite mascara. This is quite new, but I use it a lot, and this is Shock Mascara, and this is Lash Stash To Go Mascara by Shock Cosmetics. And I have to say that I love the packaging. I really love that. It is so different and unique from other local mascaras that I have been using, and I like the applicator. It's like, you know, a small comb like that. As you can see, can you see? Like a small comb. I really like this kind of mascara, and I will be using for my lashes. I don't really use mascara before I put on lashes. Let's use this on my lower lashes. And oh, you actually can use this shade from Muka & Co palette for your eyeliner. Oh, look at that! Oh gosh. So this is the part, one of my most favorite part to share is that about blusher. I have been using this is quite new to my collection because I don't really buy blushes. I always use one blusher at a time, and this is quite new, and I've been using this a lot because I'm loving this, and I'm sorry if the case is quite dirty because I've been carrying this with me all the time. And this is Beauty Ra Born to Blush. Oops. This is Beauty Ra Born to Blush, and I am using the code Flamenco. And I have been, as you can see, it has been a little bit dirty here and there because I have been using this a lot, and I carry this around with me all the time. And you know, this is so pigmented, not that powdery, so not so many products that, you know, fall out. And let's just dab it. Oh, so flush and beautiful, and the pigment is so nice. It blends so well. See, so easy to blend. Ah, I like this one. Good. All right. So my recent purchase for liquid lipstick is this Bibian by Bella's Beauty. Oh, I have to speak like Ottawa people because this is from Mua Bella's from Kedah kan, bukan Penang kan. So I bought this in Kelolo. I have been liking this liquid lipstick a lot because I realized that I always bring this with me. And I will finish my look again with this Mocha & Co. Mocha Mist Glow. So nice, and it gives a very refreshing effects, and I like how it... Oh, hari ni makeup I jadi. Tiba. Definitely super love this one. I mean, at first impression, this is my first time using it. I really like how it looks. I really like how it sits on my face. It is not that thick, but it is not that sheer either. So you can really build the coverage. I really like it, and it feels so lightweight. I like the Fit Me powder. I will put the link down below where I got this. I super love this blusher. This is so nice. The new Kissmatic brow pomade. It is so easy to work with. Mocha & Co, this Mist Glow, and Mocha & Co always be my palette. You know, I really like how they put things together. Come on. Okay, talking about my skin is not that flawless. I still have that, you know, this one little guy over here still, you know, bumpy, and others are drying up. And because I have been going to a regular treatment with Clear Aesthetics, you can check my Insta story highlight on my Instagram for that. And I really love my new hydrating toner, and this is from Biotherm. Thank you so much for watching, and I am looking forward. And oh, one more thing, don't forget to get this super mushy and fluffy beauty sponge, and this is called Cotton Candy Sponge by Ika. It's me, and I will be linking you guys down below. And this is so nice to use for a nice looking makeup, you know. So yeah, girl. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's Nisa_K. And yeah, give me a thumbs up. Click that bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. Just pray so that I can get the motivation back and the commitment to upload regular videos. And yeah, leave some nice comments. Comment yang murni-murni, okay? So I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Jing 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 jing.